connected.
That was clean. But I mean, it's you got to give the shower a couple of seconds to warm up, but it's good hot water.
Very good.
Hey guys, look at this crew here.
Morning.
This is the Africa Twin Rally. Day 2. Show you some of the people around here on the bikes. They got people from everywhere.
What kind of a...
Where are you from? Ireland?
Ireland, yep.
Where are you from?
Wisconsin.
Wisconsin.
Bismarck, North Dakota.
Albert Lee, Minnesota.
Awesome. Where'd you say you're from?
Tuscaloosa, Alabama.
Awesome.
Iowa.
Iowa. Well, man, you're a long ways. There's about every kind of African twin you can think of around here. Everybody's got different ideas. Where are you from?
Waukegan, Illinois.
I'm Des Moines. Tobin.
He's Tobin Des Moines.
You have a beard on your camera?
Yeah, check that out. It's called a dead cat. You know about dead cats.
I don't know. I got 2. I don't want them dead though.
Yeah. Check out some of the bikes over here.
Ooh, yeah, so maybe I'll get that.
He's got everything here on the bikes. There's some alt-rider crash bars there, I see. He's got Gibby luggage. He's got the side panniers off of it, but pretty cool stuff. There's even a Kawasaki Versus here. But that's the only one. Everything else is Africa Twins. And some of these guys are from way off. I think there's one guy coming from Canada supposed to be here today. And almost everything here is a 2016, exception of one 2017 up here. Here's the 2017. He just done his 6-mile oil change right here on the ground. 600-mile oil change right here on the ground. He's got all rider crash bars. He's got the red, the lowers. We're all praying for the uppers pretty soon. So let me show you the sign that Tobin got. It's pretty cool. It's got his sponsors on there. Here's another one. This guy here has ammo boxes. Pretty awesome. You got the Southwest Motec mounts, and then you put ammo boxes on it. The one larger and the one smaller. It's like worked out perfect. That's a low cost way out if you want luggage on your bike. This guy here, he's trying out his Hepco and Becker crash bars. So you can see the mud right there. Sure see a lot of the Moscow Moto bags. There's like 3 or 4 people here that's got those. Of course, there's my AT with the new Corbin seat. I sure like the Corbin seat. It's done a great job. Comfy. Here's Dale's AT. Harlando Sport. And he's got the Moscow Moto bags. Another one down here. This guy's got the Honda factory Honda panniers like I have on mine, which I'm perfectly happy with. They do a great job for me. Got a cool throttle lock right there. He's got the Gibby crash bars. But there's just about everything you can think of. And this is not even half the bikes. There'll be a lot more here today. So I'll make some more video when the other ones come in.
Yeah, that's it. I might even get the new one.
When we come to this cidery, it's Winterset cidery. And if you notice, I think most people like the red Africa Twin. Of course, everybody's not here yet. This is not all the bikes. Some more is coming in today and tomorrow.